asa me chiri maba ncheme se me da mo maba aha na ababa hwe hena ma yensem kakra youtube na yeye na fi youtube na ya bono nkomo nsem na the organ is our dos no he to be kakra wa ban anibu to no me na nka be no buto ba kire na fi youtube na aboa nti you were our original communication team member on your pay feedback Casford there's more than about 200%. Because the person always he try to do a short time and make to me when but I'm not training in Pano people and son to Abanabado now so the my friend and from I'm watching the man I feel happy and I respect much of him. I cannot afford to my music town within a short time not to the morning corporation in the urban pana no news me into mobile or Father Casford, I'm not about the corporation. Father, good morning. Good morning. But I told you,
Jana Dumara as that child.
Right. The resolution there. May also be
yes, Amangana.
Yeah.
And say, yes, we are not being embraced by a German baby walker. Embraced by so I yesterday. The very from the na I'm a man a tumble. It's a mangana in the years.
You hear for the party, waiting for the constituency, the racial fair, 20 months to the matter.
I don't know, Bibia, Boko, and this American, the Teddy's in Yodo. We turned the Yabawi set to Ghana. Zibiara Wakwacho, especially 8 years ago, was able to 2 years na Saint Ayat Wambano. Then Punto and maintain. Ghana from Punto. Into Bibia, we do a regional minister and our from MCs all over the central region. We are now from but if your sanitation will be if most of the MCs or central regional was in what the one son by maintain I wasn't fired and Akashawa was Juma. Your violations do offending Akutia, France with central region, Ako na was in Ako Akobwa. Here you can all the 276 constituencies. You really all okay, and they say, I'm in charge and I say, by election about. We've been to out of magnanimity and other morality or I am sympathy, sympathy to Kamaya. You have a contest, them constituency. Now, you use me a budget constituency, you be winning. Now, your party will come across. I am there. So, I remember 2024. You can be winning a Kutia constituency. Now, your catch your balance, your cut there. You can across. Now, you need 2024 them constituency. You need. Until you are catch them, but you will need them constituency.
Yes, that's what further. Yes, I'm talking about our sanitation issue. Me and the Zoom line for also one. My audience is saying it to not test way be now. I am 2 years about TV about between a year in our about there. Mason catching between our sanitation to Mason. Now, sanitation, see, I like the number paying out to be. What they can buy or 2 3 this is just what I said about ourselves to my. How do you see the sanitation works amongst in region in Mason?
No, Quanda Yak Chika sanitation at the Wajin Sim. Enkananka or Zoom Lion. There's a balance contact in Azama. Zoom line for the one from NCC and maintain. Now, if I first car, na some tourism one, then the from cry scanning from. When the scanning from on my own prayer, one regiment. Scanning from is essential there 4 months, 6 months, 8 months. Now, I could try that and now, so central government in Sika. Zima Zoom line. Into a basis of the why Basintage, Marik Basintage, then contracts now aban ni Zulawa no opede nka wetintim do wetwem na wazin za na tutu so mbe we de nkofa wo edwuma wo no osisi no nti ekese contracting wo na then monopoly in sanitation so we dey boy I be a monopoly like there is Zilla nti we from no if you dey monopoly for no we makwan ankwan kwabia opede what to sanitation company firm una one board no okay the company coupe no order for one once or minimum until you be telling the you can say that but them contracting up before ma you the Zilla of where but contracting we if you know e call na so as a the municipal assemblies you know a contract 1 or 2 people work for there they get dustbin na zivias you know oyama ka baba befako until na mo so ya metu kwa biase na nkekenwa ewu yama na karadan ababa fako zawase we there on kofudu ni we kwa wodua na was 50 pesos 1 cedi ma wana we see that maybe no assembly na sanitation abanu ntwese kambana so abanu ntwese kaze bada then if you there then 1 cedi 2 cedi ava kofudu awodje or there MCs, various MCs work for them, mutual because we didn't there. Aban Asham, brother, Sagano is in work could be was it that's been listening from you could go my other wages. So scanning that one man went in the central government interest scandal because 2025 budget statements and by the you trace culture for sanitation. You choose culture for sanitation. So the scanning Abana scanning there. Scanning Abana did the Juma or Sapata. Now maintain with an auto. If go for instance, a person and quandary then, however, you with the MC Honorable Judge Justice Atam. Yaza, what contract in Kofu farmer in the case we see grow mainstream. But all our hooker, but as into the election program be dancana. Maintain when man you see what other director na official bansana when street portways above benin ya there feel na be benfu na ze man ya the into chede sufficient kena na chede na unti wema yehwe osebi busy maintenance but na ntwende occasion be bansana ayo na obama obagana na amanda the equipment castle it is a programming there paying the money na you are castle you to pay what in there or this is in one no one can official banzana za all koda implement all your friends working or there you subcontract resume the bamuko we dey see when street na or na all of the you panic career you sanitation companies they kwanda way ejuma they don't know ejuma about how many years it is cut was now so procrastination you tryna be basana ya there just about 10 years actually use also there now so yeah so come on as well sika ahina you try to when the portals ahon was the concrete now was very there. Can we maintain them? And we should be transparent. We are not to make this one there. We say at the side of Kwanzi Kokotokabe, then we clean all them. Yabo. Now, so there impo, yet this special lady, yes, about because in the eco Ghana, light needs to do constant supply of electricity because of one Ghana citizen, Lena John Muhammad Ziban, and the Unisika to crude oil, where they power and the plantation. So, sanitation, so, audience, many no big Jessica Samada. Anna, on one and there, in Kayazi, Lady Baba, so once you able to now what is calibrated Junoma, young actor, because if you're in Sandra, if physical now, cholera, malaria, and diarrhea, and Okakano, you know. On my the human resource will be to and the human resource, the cost we can't pay. No money amount of money can pay for a loss of what life. But say you too, you maintain sanitation. I know that people will live for longer. Yeah, human resources. Into the sanitation is the juma. Also, what gutter is meant for passage of water. You gutter there. If you don't for gutter. Yeah, damn. Yes, as you gutter or mine. You entice the gutters for bottles. Where you do you education. The information ministry. Now you call or friend and regional offices na that. Now them is information. If them agencies are not walk around what disseminate information. I think that we need education. I am on call for one there. You when they make you food, and okay, can we when you need fear. Your phone call baby, we designate was it dustbins. Now, this is info when you down there. You go to a good garden, then you suit flood all over the country. Yes, there's a climate change. Yes, climate change has effect on that. But now, also, we are contributing to the climate change. Then you suit and what an flood all over the country. We don't expect God to come and solve this problem for us. This problem must be solved by us ourselves and not a government. Yama fa OEC or the danger as a brain found or your human induced dangers. And can we change our attitude? We need attitudinal change, right? To ensure that environment very clean will be safe for all of us to live in. It's a change. Maybe I hear your manuma a rainess abanembro I mean now. Nezin we could get them in Saturn or our friends so Ghana Banambra. You are part of Ghana, you are part. You are one. Yeah. Into attitude. We need attitudinal change. We need also education. So any curriculum accommodation at the basic to secondary school level. Yeah, no member coming news attitude and there. So, Bob, I the education if any curriculum if the attitude that you will be put up now. Education in front for Subia and Bro or Mangana. But in education, you go school Christian Casancasa. My young school out preaching, not in Zama or the Apso, young chums of Brian, not years and I was in case you die on boy.
Zamba on some fata, Zamba no boy, you know, and my brother out tomorrow, Chaman, or say the Hina, or they do cook some now, or the Hunkerton and Kato to the bar. Into your dimpensa, or damina, we are you to me, I shall so down. Hannah, more you to me, you turn a mother, Sabi Chinabi, now Adam for so etumna azaba. Into San so there. You turn for your MPP, obviously, Mama cancer. Into Yaza a Yardan Huneja. Yada Yadan Huja. Na for the Castle on following the Zago and Arifrena, and I'll continue praising him. See, Father, young share ye or yes, see you may to me came. Na some phone engines today, ye here a entity in terms of sanitation. I mean, I'm here yesterday. If you are all about BNCC, over the baby. Now what done mayor account with done chief executive account in terms of our car no account. But in common bills are Baba San Quano. No, be out to me and answer you don't demand anything from anybody. But right now, if the chief executive is there, definitely we should demand something from it. And just to me, for so that I say to now, just see as it may feel it way one day. If he or young answer, the chief executive
culture at Wakaka because me 2000 now it's over they will get communal labor you know your cases in maintain one China democracy Zoom Lion into Zoom Lion as a band now them with the you train county them that are na Zoom now or Kakasha one answer you sanitation words levy or mine
na yato sanitation ministry. There was sanitation ministry. But those days and kadam zoom line as in one. Na ahemfo so to me shine influence ma what would do record what the young corner cases in my church. No young man thing that you are Bendano yadi to me if you want resources in that case abano or central government and MDC. It is a year I will read the budget in the yet say on there, year cut or there, get by once and once. Now, up band the cases you coma. In Quafos argument, I know. I benefit cut or they offended. Your faces in maintain to Dameda. I can't see very here, a diadem once and once or there, MC Elizabeth. Ni baby no, yen to blame it in Funipi, but say a MEMA wheelbarrow. Shovels na yen here that year a jumo to them MC and municipal assembly said that will provide your assemblymen and women or the one man tenant would mean that into a casivia yen your days about but there near the Boama you mean in Kayetra Mimindo said the days were there. The basis in maintain. Eben Zamadam na raise na say you know there assembly provide na yedi jumoy than otedam. So it's master. It's even na from na yambo but there other woman 1 city 5 cities and sana market jumezo otedam and we don't appreciate hygienic living. We don't appreciate hygienic environment. But yet say there young cleanliness is next to godliness. See yet I see there or your mama suzy them much better mohatso. Let me maintain soon whatsoa. Meaning there your friend there young kaya kosafujuma maybe say cocoa if you MCO. In those days now and I am for there your kaya communal labor. And I am from Tokoko Dokonamai. Or Bandan and there say kaya kosafujuma ano omes banamizi. Can we also look at the way we do our politics? Hey Biana, for the past years, you know. Yet the culture now about we betting the you could still get him your pepper the nature or don't make cocoa garina zima using but is this sustainable? It's not sustainable. Say in can ye this is a was in you are or may task there them acting on sustainable on boso into you there yeah my own. Ye says a gata nimu amayan. You have to him fitching amayan number. You never saw from when I was old that you juma. Because yes, says a catastrophe. And a catastrophe, what to do? That's the cost of money there. You are going to incur expenditure in purchasing the drugs. It's Masedama. It is a cananka. One casa, if you're a zoo, in a dummy, a befua, in Kaziboto, Moko Poko, Garoko Poko, Afizi Pakoto Bazi. In do so no buiden was you not fee or there call you Shabosanas and either. It will go to Intisea, who says, yeah. No for so on carbano. If for so Hoka, I won't away with you, or Camina Mebus, or Kingina, or down our Pomazin Papa Zibama, or the young who was near the Juma, ye kay Juma do small man Ghana productivity near than Ecoso. I teach in your obeisance of Aquajuma. Nice in your obeisance of Aquajuma. Judging or your obeisance of Aquajuma. Into say, you're no one Quajuma, a piano or danka judging. In those was and Bizumo, what's an oil in Tina, as I know them, or Rachel. Nay, one oil, you know. Yana, you know. Into young day, big judge there, woman is Banan Sang and Kayajuma, your best NC in Sky and all. Scan out, got no memory that to Garinazum. Uncle suffered at the bottom more wheelbarrows, more brooms and shovels. Na, yes, I was. Say, you have to talk to the means of being now, sir. Or there. MDCs, what you're there, assembly man, Bia Binya, nature for Odobo Conus Numu, no Zezuma. My uncle there, MPP assembly man, this assembly man into Miss Tavan with the needed logistics. On what? On your manner, yes, into young there, logistics and also your best share evenly. I'm so me bien a casa was busy Jumoid, or to them, not what boy era.
Right, see better for us, Papa. I say, because I want to prepare each one for himself, go for us. So, urban, on man, necessary, on man pay, or you know, him man pay. It's a debut. I'm a color fancy, because of the Mampayin Norquan, or Mampayin Norquan. Or your fancy, but on your fancy paper to classify a leader goes into Upper Poloqua, one Papa Norquanka. Forget my papa Norquan.
Yeah.
It's yes, and so that Yan Mampayin after politics, elections, nothing again. We have a leader. Nti yenhyɛ so amamafama na wo yɛ asɛ so wɔn kɔna botum na ya classify in them nti hɛn manpayin you are part chida yɛ Ghana if you kozovokaya na abakada o manpayin na nti ɔyɛ hɛn manpayin kazo the betters me yɛ kɔ yɛ yɛ hwɛ koko yɛ Ghana yɛ jepazi papa ɔhyɛ ase yɛndaba tata kwahye na abiri de bisi biriya magana anya bi de mpempensi ama ye koa sisa wote godi aye henema mpayin okade oba enyan ye kura kokoo no botum nti ama kwafo hoyun age the from that 3,000 plus to 6,000 to 7,000 plus so for shiska samdo oba aye mbese bugofi oba kire biem na amampayin so tum kabi na mpayin fa horo awo man Ghana won so tum kabi but sisa no gebeye tum edire kwafo wuri so hohon so hu na wotum uzan de sika wodo to kuko do no usa wo me de ade chedi bia ye nhire bia so ye na so waaji so zampara but on bonjo se na nyeda me hyehye na omampanyin otum na wodo to oye hene that's what
yeah cocoa is backbone of Ghanaian economy. Yeah, the agriculture sector is the backbone.
Yeah.
Your fertile land, bibia the best assassin native in young tun super good more from all year. Now, you neglect the cocoa sector a bit. The broken can Dutch disease in your oil. Young was in fee cocoa cashew, the cashew oil no more. It's yet then ye jane chikakra. Now, investments are there abane inputs, free fertilizers and okay machetes nazano. For the past 8 years, na abana na nado na baumia dano no. Na what ton fertilizers, chemicals nazo what was the milk for. But NDC 2016 before na that means the mezeme is magane for free. Our milk cocoa production here then it cost. Now 8 years ago, yes. Na ekwafuto wangasa one fertilizers farm input 1 water na cocoa so say ya harvester cocoa beans in ya cotton wa manazo we export it into cotton na in yesikan wo kwesi boyin ni sikam in dollars na eziba Ghana in farm ma cocoa kwafun wo kwesi boyin ni sikam o e cotton dollars eziba eba ento beans wo yen na ekwafun wo in dollars eto Ghana cedis. It is Kenya Yokwamanaza Union. Yapa you convert into the local currency, that's the Ghana cedi. But 2024, NDC Jehenado near Sansa Yejenando Yakade, Nanado Aban Osisi Equafo, Cocoa Equafo. Because at that time now, you need about 17 Ghana cedis to get $1. Let's say it's a $1. Is it Ghana zikama benye 17? It's a cotton cocoa no amanaze. Na it is Ghana Ghana zikama no yes kabubro because of the exchange rate depreciation we had at the time. Now it's a kosibo in Ghana dollar benye 17 Ghanaians. But in Abanse Sabe, Aban is close to 150 Ghanaians is not that to a bag of cocoa or a ton of cocoa. In the same time there. There has been an appreciation of the Ghana cedi. There's an appreciation of the Ghana cedi. About that dollar now was now then akofo. In the cotton cocoa no amanaze ni ye kwesi bring dollar ni azeba. Esisa oyeska kume biwo Ghana sikanumu. Inti so obi kada ye cheat cocoa kwafa na yadwunwa yentaze. Ade mfutu bi na what MPP for to Ghana ekwafo onanyum because if 2015-16 na cedi to the dollar no ya it was 3 cedis 99 pesos. Into because then I had 3 cedis 99 pesos, now a bag of cocoa 2016 was 475 Ghana cedis. 475 Ghana cedis. Then fast forward 2022, Ghana cedi no depreciate dollar now was in the cost around now a bag of cocoa now you turn 800 Ghana cedis. On the abano or not two more, but cedi now was in then obe from now is the dollar ke krebe ziba in your Ghana cedi in bobo on in 2022 you turn a bag of cocoa 800. Then 2023 it was about 17 Ghana cedis. Necessarily now a bag of cocoa was 2,070 70 Ghana cedis. It's all because of the exchange rate depreciation in Ghana year communal. And then 2024 it was 3,100. It was 17 Ghana cedis to $1. In that year case aban papa be is the dollar is it Ghana ha a best not Sikana was now then akofo. So cocoa a cotton in dollars or US. If the dollar is in Ghana ha, you won't get the same quantum of Ghana cedis. It's saying the argument I mean it has said because of the exchange rate what depreciation. But there's what you call value of money. In the cocoa Otonu cocoa, you 3,228 Ghana cedis a bag. Demisike in Zama in the cocoa, the purchasing power of the cocoa farmer today. In 2024, 3,100. Demisike Nazito bags of cement. Duduwahin Nozumomo. Duduwahin Nozumomo. Satkoto iron water. Duduwahin and Kebenye if you want 3,100 in more. But in the a ton bag of cocoa, when you're 3,200 plus. If you could go, there's a cotton Zama. In Zaman Bubro Ezeba. But when people are better know, yes, in a door no so, but in your second if you cocoa bag in ma, you could go on top but in the no. The back of the second in tune and consider my own position here. But it did the mistake 3,000 to Kogoma. Almost Zama P. You send it. Sitting now was in a cost with them in Zamana Boya than Ruko from or Maimo. Nankamaya paying there. Dollar now was in a Bocoso. Na in Zama Nobu Ayazin or Maimu. Napping it is a capi boko gum. Na in your shame for Tana there. Yaya she said there. Dollar now was in Brefom. Not for Skakum maybe for Kogum. Not for Tozama P. Na Fabra. Imanoye. Ain't this in Adrian there? Yaba Madonna was in Akofom. Na this Kakum maybe Zakogum. Na etum atozame pin. Anozi in Puntu Baba Kope Kafo. Dande Mosuo Nana Ado Amembunu. So it is about exchange rate matter. And yada da koko ekwafo. Se obi wo dollar wana counting $100. Na ekase sa wana na da abedi no yan. 1,700. In that year case, it did $100 na it was one counting a year ago. It could have a bus sign that Ahina Ibenya. Ahina Ibenya. It's you lose about 700 Ghana cedis. Into there a bag of cocoa in the noble unconsumption in the Ghana banana as I may know. Anyone who see if you are. Abandoning free fertilizers. For what free fertilizer abandonism mono? Inka what 3,100. No may be that cotton fertilizers. No may be that cotton chemicals. But in the abandoning more 3,200. Now while send one more fertilizers free. While send one more input insecticide and weedicide. Machete free of charge. The means a man abanzo more free none. Say you quantifying what monetary terms are. Let's say a bag of cocoa is more than 5,000. You can say It's more than 5,000. In Zama Abani is a Gakwenma, Ozime Kwafu free of charge. Yet the Kosikafum, there is a Bakadam 3,000, Obo 5,000 na Yepemanka 2024. We did Ghana Equafor. In Tinyada, Aban SCC Ghana Equafor, another Oria Ghana Equafor. No mum, yes, Mama, ye increase the productivity of cocoa in this country. So I'm a cookie kada yada de kwafa na ohim zoraka. Na bedo no maybe so in it's 3,000 the koguma cement bags are in a botum dato. In the secret 3,000 cement bags are in was a babo. Okwen are in a botum anything. And with them no ikita 3,000 bags of cement over close to 15 bags of cement. But now that bedo no na as a 3,000 do ko gom the court to cement enya 9 or 8 bags. Man na yepe. Then aban elmo ebenya 3,200. Nedi kogoma botun scan amo bags of cement close to 17 bags. Another nke na abroad now almost 3,000 kogoma ebenya bags of cement, just 9 bags of cement. Ebin manana yepe.
Father, remember so assembly. Why different communication? Why different implementation? Because Yeshua oye ejinapuna. Yes, I see 2020 cocoa prices are no our Ghana ham. You know 2020-2021 season no cocoa prices you you show me 660 per bag no wotum no wotan. You call 87% approximately. Now you call it 2022-2023 so 90% increment, but now our 800 per bag no wotum wotan. You call it 2023-2024 no so 2,000 something 17. Nti yehwe every year bia yehu increment.
Sure.
Yehu na or significant increment from when was from 600 and something. You have 800 and something.
Yeah.
The January the increment otum no aboa. Na yebidin komo from the previous government. He made mention of 2,000 something to 3,000 plus, and we told the farmers that you must also from 6,000, even 6,000 plus to 7,000. But now, no, the baby.
Yeah, and I'm checking the. It was because at that time, now it dollar, it being 17 Ghana cedis at that time. At that time, the button it $1, it being no almost Ghana cedis, 17 Ghana cedis. In Pimpin, you say, dollar now wasn't akofo. Mr. Swinty, if it's $1, it bring about 100 watts, 10 Ghana cedis, 10 Ghana cedis. Into one there, difference in the depreciation of the dollar. That is the reason. And not the differentiation either. Ezaba. Into a dollar say, oh yeah, a dollar the one jina 17 Ghana cedis are in a bag of cocoa. Nkaban go to almost 6,000 zama ekwafono. But in dano onto them on yedam not it. Into the yet them. And the cocoa beans in yet ton or Ghana sikum and a cotton or Kosibu in sikum. Yet on a young Ghana sika and a cotton in your Kosibu in sika. Yet on a yet the kaji Kosibu in sika. Near Kosibu in sika is our best samba Ghana sikum. No Kosibu in sika and now was an apple formula. And now was I then apple until you're there. Wapeyebi, but me sansa kede sikane nya no ni purchasing power no swing here. Ni purchasing power no here. In the 2020 is it by 2021 is it by 2022 abaneze 200 Ghanaians order to Anamobwa. Then 2023 abaneze close to 200 Ghanaians order to. Into here, in Tumina, Wabani being see that. When people are building, was it 200 is what to a bag of cocoa beans? When they are not Canada, what's the young boys more? I be that. Aban for flap along with there. Down now was not performing. No, so the 200 is to that. It's hey, welcome up.
But for the need to catch the yada down because the comparison you are doing there 200 it be that. That's true because if the figures are, I mean now you follow now be that. But the catch for that I catch them down upon Omar Mabba before 8 o'clock. then you make it. But I can't say before you took a never ever bahano level and tell me.
Means Yamo said, Miss Nina Gina, CD to dollar exchange rate.
The same CD to dollar.
CD to dollar exchange rate, 2024. And that dollar, it's a crack almost see that here. And that's how you can say, it's a dollar crack almost see that here. Yes, it's so, Yara. Or your dollar now was an uncle for.
But we send the first message to them.
At that time, now, it's a dollar, paying 17 Ghana cedis.
So you are doing the comparison with the cocoa and the dollar?
Yes, it's the exchange rate. Maybe say the cocoa beans in Yazokamaza, Yatona. You is the canoe, Kwesibo in Sikim, another in Ghana Sikim. You know Kwesibo in Sikim, Yaton in dollars. Next the dollar is the Yabasa Saba Ghana cedis. In the same year, can say, O Piano Aussie dollar is the Ghana, Abasa Saba Ghana Sikimino. O Ghana Sikim P. Only P. When another abedeno, now is a dollar, as if a Ghana is come out, almost can go. Only time we abedeno, or bend there, cocoa, a bag of cocoa, no 3,000 in this year, no, or that what one cocoa farm at 6,000. But in that we don't have the same exchange rate. We don't have the same matrices. We don't have any people are white when you are welcome. But opera what to in front to me go Ghana kwafo when you. But me no be there. Last year, na it's a 3,100 is a kogoma. Cement do ahin no zema cocoa kwen no. Ahin no zema no. In that's why you can say the 3,200 the kogom the cotton bag of cement. Cement do ahin no cocoa kwen no be ya. In there, it be close to 15 bags of cement. What Nana Bedo no, na eto cocoa bag cra. It the kogoma almost cement 9 bags. Into a game mananoye. A game mananoye. Petrol no babo foam. Emu young friend that talk cocoa beans. 3,100. Ekwa koto emu za be fees that both we busiafo. Nana Bedo no, na eto cocoa bag cra. Almost emu koto kuko ayen 1.5. 1.5. But aban papa be eto cocoa bag a coinde. It is kind of good that the cotton moves are both busiafo. Almost bags of rice. Three bags. More than that. About 6. A bag of rice is what? 500 Ghana cedis. Let's take it at 600. 600 cedis per a bag of rice.
Varies. Rice
yeah. So that's I'm using. Some are even 300. Okay. Until let me take the highest, 600. It means it's going to give you 5 bags of rice. The cocoa queen, or no cocoa bag, not to cocoa no cotton and ma. Obey a mokotoku and cocoa a cool a bien a basa and then a new a senior or that be fed on the book or you know something very basic. But another better no. The same cocoa farm or ton cocoa bag of crap 3,100 no or the cocoa no on man a mokotoku a bien pet. A bien. Into one no improve to cocoa quafono, yes, when yes, capi, but Skaka cana when or almost saka in Zama Dana Orisi or ocean numbers. Aside this, no, Abana with your cocoa queen about our university free. Cocoa queen about our university first year, John Mama ban, 8 school faces Amano. Then not that no, not on your cocoa queen about school faces Mano. Free university, I'm of a man where the world free fertilizers. Intuition Zama Abano Ozima Cocoa Quafuni free. It could come was a cafema. Now the back at 3,200 now. It close to the 6,000 now. Ghana in this edition Cocoa Quafono. But we are taking the decision to give free fertilizers and what have you for investment sake. Look, cocoa production has declined. Cocoa production declined. It used to be 1,200 per ton or so. Then now if we do not 400 ton a whole year. Same thing there. Akaza hene kwafun wo hia wode duano abano wan famo not tons more. No go so yazen into abano so no. Mpeda cocoa beans no ye produce ni piniti ni sasonti amankasa mayeden. With the fifth fertilizers more chemicals machete and non-cacao, all because this government wants to invest in cocoa production. We neglected investment in cocoa production close to 8 years. Now there's a deliberate attempt decision to do investment in the cocoa sector. And look, the Nado administration it is a thesis of how not to fail as a leader. So Ghana ye put ye tumpuna bibia na Nado ba omia MPP ye 8 years ago no ye opposite of it ye go tumpun. Bibia na Nado ye 8 years ago, let's just do the opposite of it. We will develop. Dayata we there 8 years ago Ghana ban ama ekwafo free fertilizers into ama cocoa production no yedan okofo nti ebotumpuna na no nde ye ma cocoa ekwafo free fertilizers nti da ye cotton ye yibi that of fertilizers there minna cocoa okweje na fake ujuma ye wo agricultural extension officers and local farming centers are watching yen kwekwakwafo and other farmers in kwana oba for that when zama woduan output by the ebokoso. Those services were denied farmers 8 years ago. They were denied farmers 8 years ago. But that there is a man in our koda. Abani Adrian ekwafu wano ho. Abani your agribusiness abana set up mechanized farming centers, tractors and those systems. You can walk in and seek the services of those tractors and go and use on the plow. You have the plow machines and wash as the juma in monazi tomatoes. What plow land for farmers to use? Then there's a measurement in 8 years. No, being war. Then you use the cash that you cash the measurement in no. Ija to cocoa when you could okoto combined harvester on to ija to cocoa kwen do the onkoto plow on farm plow land na onya was no nti abanning out of them machines ni na or to rent farmers in at a less fee. This is better than Zayehun 8 years offended 8 years ago. You miss here with the ever since 2017 2018 now yet we exporting 904 tons of cocoa. 904. Now, yaba offended 2023-2024. Over by 216. O send na investment na then anko ijama cocoa ukwen na nankasa nkoto fertilizer na. Waba fertilizer na bo no was on top. But the here them chemicals wa boama plant no hadan wa suye. Ntina abanese no. Na now do yet them am opposite na ama mpunto ayeda aba
mpunto aba cause what maybe so SS I'm talking about sustainability and stability. The man say be dollar, you are doing comparison about dollar when because dollar be now I don't think it will pass 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. So up and down then it will be okay. But since we general do say to but when inside general I also insist to what are you going to say? Are you going to talk about a different thing altogether?
Young friend there, I will feel my sister about CD to dollar exchange rate. And actually, CD no better than dollar no better than Bokoso. He said is a dollar is a per CD sir. It be a citizen bubro him tasida. So up bandama. A bag of cocoa price is better than Obakoso. So, but in the it's $1 in your 10 cedis. Obabanda it's $1, it being 20 Ghana cedis. Chada a bag of cocoa no better than no one better than Bokoso Ghana cedi no. But look, the CD to dollar exchange rate in a year experience for Ghana on year artificial. Because in economics you say that the exchange rate stability is a function of demand and what supply. So in tune akoton azo amanaze in your dollars in pizza besho economy numa there will be a stability in the city to dollar the exchange rate. Because in the yakasano Ghana ban cotton gold wa manazin only the direct dollars and the government pumps the dollars into the economy. So there's sustainability. What we are seeing, there's what? Sustainability because we have excess supply of dollars. Yes, this economy no more manzama no buy then ejina impe nzamane bu forma na oroko nzamane fu forma na dan oroko nti da yedi se Ghana ekwafo boy de za wuzi wonwe hu na nde kogoma wo a cotton bag of beans in your 3,200 that do kogoma almost about 15 bags of cement no abana ya hyehyɛ ya dam ahozi beje wa dam anko de no bo cement no bo batu mampo wo bags of cement no bokoso but okaban there don na ahozi no bokoso a sa se de a cotton cocoa bag in so bag in this kind of bed obokoso nti ibenye pizza bako but anu boyen the depreciation doesn't help the economy. So yamma don na was no koso na obende cocoa a bag of cocoa nearing your bay 6,000. Be so there 6,000 yen e musu no bokoso wo gom. Angwa no bokoso petrol no bokoso indua yeto no so no bokoso into beke tesika kase is gom izinzama kumebi nezbebefie. Na this aban ye pede nzama na bu wo Ghana or your full from to the extent that wosika kuma na kita no obotu amo nzama pi meza befe da baba wobra yen ana yen yepe yen pede idisika pi bottle cocoa beans almost 6,000 na dika kokeji na gom so a edoto azoko ebien na wasa na rusu na mom ye pede cocoa beans no etona dam 3,200 na yin no the cage no goma botu da hwo mbepi ani ye chenza ye hu wo MPP abedo no so the sustainability so far as omanda yeton golden we have enough dollars to pump into the system but we want to assure cocoa farmers there look the cocoa sector recorded loss if you're 2023 the cocoa board recorded 4.2 billion Ghana cedis loss. 2022 recorded 3.2 billion Ghana cedis loss. Them losses na wabano. Ode yesu anokwan. Ode ye branaze. Inti shen gwa kwenima all these losses no potholes in yesu su ni na them scale you in obizio. Say on order waba ye council ato abano do order yetua Ghana zeka wona am order wotua damaka no
Ghana for
Ghana order yetua damaka nti dem kokoo ya yetoni skani bi abani zitua ekawa na do amambu tan wo bogu wan ye zitua ye ka first kan wa he
right ye zitua dem na cast for the tomorrow ka ye ko neyim na ebakode akanda ye tun sefra ye MPP engineer Isaac Oma Magansa Wambasa Yugure Yoko come return to Boko Abra Bamafo to Mohadam Yet it's a calm or security for which were come about and let's say this was in man paying all enough for or 2 4 or 2 number pay for P with 2 more half of what the men some Korea necessary what about and the or why did I brought to Naba? I am saying there. Are they going to be maintain the peace currently? And then you or that was always that's a moment to make kind of don't behavior school. I will feel, but still now they are in the center of Ghana. There be mechanical if you had there in 10 years, we should call all those people because there's a person, individual, of them family. Was Abiana make us for to cut for no come him, no so nebution. We are so movie, but I'm in a class for the Arco school day, Trinity. Casa, what's in the Casa? And see, Ninja to student the Muko Fian to home. And there, and maybe some so there. No, Odama pay him more cutting her by our Fabi. No security, no get general. Or why by our Fabi is good to minds and near when the sister and baby one should be if the presidency is there, a whole new years in a Bibiara could be a year window, the meaning pen or her unnecessary to Maba. And see, that is my suggestion. But she said, the generality was so Java.
Yet the Yamiase, the Nzama Banzuga Quenum, first, no peace mediation, now Banai, no, this time, Oko law enforcement, peace enforcement. And peace mediation and peace enforcement, they are not the same. This time, no, Abana there, and yet used to kit gloves or they to know if from abandoning your basic. You there, you call peace enforcement, you know, as some year then rubber. So there you call it, now you done peace enforcement, you know. Or two force you into ye Ashanti hin or two for infant. If you are mediation team on the fashion, the two fashion team. What's always no so abwama in Zamaida as a some rubber. Omano, how do we sustain peace in the Washa so prevail or Bokono? Can we have a permanent military base like MEMA camp or that enclave? Because if you don't so Bobwama, yeah, no politicians when I wash us will fuel this conflict and over to there. The place is poor. And so be another Sikot the bottle buyer a confirm Koya Zemano. Also, no is Sikot to ammunitions, weapons. Or tell there in Kofusha will fund this war, this conflict. Just to take political advantage. The Obotuam, I mean, the Mampusi and the Kusasi, we know political the Iwaha. But I don't think Shada, who votes I been yentino, fuel conflict, no. Na nipe weapon for seeing in you. And if you cover Yarubo in that part of Ghana, you go to get this can I wrote, there's Amawan. Njuma obesire na njuma kwa akwawode wakeseta businesses na bokofo enyedwuma ye nti ebesre de asomdwe na wa sha so ba no onya me fantin a metie na mama asomdwe abo. It takes the people of Boko, the Kusasis and the Mampusis to live peace, to live in harmony, to live together. Nti motions are also south ha. Now it be only the same thing or not. Now yenya asomdwe na impuntu embra no. One kind there NPP NDC umpowen for them to claim. Say be NPP NDC addition na oboswe wono nkwa. Oye say this we go NDC say me NDC nkwa na the guns bezo mo the fokun a. Me maybe some fiat ho. The man NPP na ozi to almost a photo gas the daman no so akofa no busanfo ogun kan wonu nso wozi da nti maye makwana nkofo manipulating na yenkuku ye no ho yenhu de ye yakọ yenhu de ye yakọ ye azeko Ghana before Mampusi, Ghana before Kusasi, Ghana before NDC, Ghana before NPP.
That's what I guess some of the Akufo do na nebusia for ma. George don't have any evidence concerning that one or two Mozama. Oh, me didn't come aboard NDC. I mean the same for there. I mean na mezi two mezumo da won fon kwa. Me nebusia for go south ah. Saying this before ye sha sa. Impanyimfu so go south how. Nti the man so bend there MPP fu so wo sha sa. Na do nebusia for go ntwe. That can be fair. I be different person here just.
Yeah, John Mahama nebusia for. Better ha. Amunso. It's the best way that my makwana politician. You see, I've been fair with this issue there.
Yeah.
There's political tone to this. Political tone. It's clear. Why must you allow yourself because of NPP, NDC? Na ekuwa wunya kusasi, wunya mampusi, passing in film. They be using the news. They be using the TV work. Why? Until say ya main charge ya for peace enforcement. Let's maintain this strategy. And we should even go a step further, establishing military base in Boko. So that, I'm told the civil servants have all run away. Education has come to a standstill. Health has come to a standstill. Commerce, a standstill. How can the place develop? Now, I post him there, Munko Bokwa. Nebo sunkra mam 60,000 munko because munko wiya me nke mezi hie mum me me nature The man police in some pedal the man nurse in some pedal now so yeah case I know one yara one yara eba stupid nurse in doctor man or shaman obi was some adakadan court match the court to cry what to tune talk on or to two court more boko into say mansa obi ni no kuna na sase mansu bia one of that chance work when you justice it deprives the area a whole lot of development, social development, economic development. We lose all these things. War is not a good thing. War is not good. Then people from what's also Russian-Ukraine war is having had effects on Ghana's economy. What's all? Bomb na war to Ukraine on your effect war Ghana economy no. Ammunitions na why you no. Yebe yemu de Ghana sky the koto arms na zeba management. Na dabedo no. Almost 70% of those ammunitions na here. Why are those arms? I want to believe these are the arms fueling the Boko conflict.
That's your view.
That is my view. I want to believe because the people are so poor that they cannot afford to buy gun or is it grenade. They don't have the means. Into them sophisticated weapons now or use one not to honor. One has a man. One has a man. And the commentary of NPP. John Mahama, when he was campaigning in the Kede, NDC was there in a Bokuwenye piece. I think that it was a quite unfortunate statement to account for the president. But must that be the reason for them to fuel the conflict? Must that be the reason for NPP to fuel the Boku conflict there? Said John Mahama, Badan, will prove there. NDC was there, Boku Nyas Asomegre. And that is what they are ranting all about. Mahama sent to peace in law. Into army as a communicator, I want to believe that when ammunitions now why UFE Ghana Armed Forces, we should arrest Dominic Nitu. He was in charge of our security defense. He was in charge.
Doesn't keep any ammunition.
They render accounts, they will report to him. Nobody can move a military or ammunition without his consent. I don't know the onshare when arms to do a mine. And they said, now I bet they got the arms as you were Ghana. Why is this man walking free? He should be arrested by now. He should show us how come these arms.
He's supposed to be arrested or he's supposed to be cautioned.
You should be arrested and cautioned. He should be arrested and cautioned and help to retrieve those ammunitions. Now this is serious. Yeah, it's the arm kasha a madman in Sema. You know what the person can do. The man that arms case in Kofa Woku in Sema. You are giving them the oxygen to kill themselves. And maybe said there, Boko conflict, guns now we're using. 1 year, 1 year. Do we have arms shop in this country? You'll be able to turn ammunitions were Ghana. And they are using sophisticated weapons. So I want to believe that young arms now, Dr. Manebuam of Desert Memory, Zibotugano, have gotten to the hands of these people in the north. And that's what they are using to kill themselves. So quickly, Dominic Nitu must be arrested, must be summoned. And show us, account to Ghanaians, how come X amount of arms, ammunitions, state ammunitions could not be retrieved.
So Ghana, as soldier for you want paying full intelligence, you want national security, whatever. They can do the investigation concerning the arms and they pay them or in Katani Bina was Sawachi or police for being I will get them MCB into good out to you that suspected people. Into you to investigation to say the past minister.
No, if the investigation is going on, you need the elsewhere administration minister. I'm not sure that he invites the current Minister of Defense or Deputy Minister of Defense is the answer to retrieving the arms. There were people in charge. There were people in charge. And those officers, I think that there's been a reshuffle change in the hierarchy of the Ghana Armed Forces. So those who worked with ESO administration, they are still there. The arms depot, the key was with someone. Na safoni shobi nisem. Into until then, in Pakuna Kobe, Abu na Yezi arms ne Koguano. Why not go to Wako? Obi no Kobe Abon, Yezi Kini shobi nisem. King Yezi Shagam Mohammed nisem from 2017 to 2024. Na bebe Ghana Yezi and arms Ezugun. Kids no share Jom Mohammed nisem another no share one nisem. In Pakuna, na kids share nisem. On one other, Yokonodo. Near Odi Omanu Sikakoto arms were Manazebeno. Odi Ibis and Assam. The arms are in a cote. So the leadership of the Ghana Armed Forces need to be questioned.
Right. The leadership of Ghana Armed Forces, that's my brother, father, Father, IGP, that's my brother. Treat journalists with respect. IGP, as I can I buy less IGP, the master of
yeah, you see, we need to respect media and media practitioners. Because on media, journalists will not do yet information. Zibao Kodo man, Nemfande Bia, Wababa Kachayan. Now, if you're Isabel not election, rerun or Kodia, we saw a situation, a police officer loosely slapped a media guy. And that's not the first time. We've been mishandling. Is it a crime to be a journalist? Is it a crime to hold a microphone and go to a scene and report, tell Ghanaians what is happening? Into order, yezi and easy obu, yazema and journalists. Because Jumeza was, as I'm saying that Oman Puyuchon Kawana. I would too few. You saw what you are. It's him when you are. But what Kwakafa than saying as a band. It's sad that the security agencies or that were protecting, they are becoming a source of insecurity. Okay, BBC name police officer now military. You should rather run to the person for comfort or safety, but rather than either they are becoming a source of insecurity. And the by-election, definitely the media will go and cover and tell us, Zoya Papa Obakachen, Zoya Bones Obakachen. Into there, you one bambo, you won't continue so. Your best review, I'm about to hear Titutra, on your butcher and son. Your Poco Betic, Sidu Nature, Papa now, into your best reader, Akotia by-election in this year. All the 275 constituencies can get better. We want to get all the 275 constituencies. Into the act of sympathy, we should leave it to NPP. We are going to contest it, and we are contesting it, and we are going to win. I'm happy the NPP folk they will provide their own security. They have the right for self-defense. You see, yes, it is true. They have the right to self-defense. The police service of Ghana has the right to self-defense also. I'm not sure the police service are all right to self-defense. But some NPP to trust some. I think as a macho or taxer, the person should be fired by the police. The police should kill such a person.
Hey.
They should shoot at anybody who goes to Akotia to misbehave.
Casual.
Any tag, any macho guy, obviously politician be nature Akotia, there or cause disturbance. Because the security, the protection of the ballot and the electoral area is in the hands of the security service,
but
the police.
To kill in Ghana at this time.
If you don't have the right to hold gun. You have no right to hold gun in a polling station.
But they haven't promised that they are going to bring out.
They say no, they have the right to self-defense. Do you know the kind of self-defense they're talking about?
Self-defense is a matter of communication, it's part of self-defense.
If they are going to go self-defense, as I said, they have the self-defense. But if your self-defense is to take away, to fight the security agencies, I think the security agencies have the right to kill them. Look, these police officers, I always say, were all employed by Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. John Mahama Bay on recruiting any person to security forces. You for police, you for military.
You are telling me that I want to phone you MPP. How could you know that?
The majority of them, look, the majority of them. We have not. Why is MPP afraid of the Ghana Police Service today? Why is MPP afraid and do not trust the Ghana Police Service? They will provide their own security. Do they have the right to own security in this country? Does MPP have the right to have a miniature of security guys in this country? They don't have that right. In the sense, you see, now you call by elections. You see, I don't believe that a right-thinking, a properly trained military officer or police officer will shoot and kill Ghanaian. I don't believe that. But we saw it from 2017 to 2024. Men in military uniform, men in police uniform, shot and killed several Ghanaians. And today, MPP is afraid of the very people who could turn into police service. Because the training they gave to them there, you could buy elections out. Your collections out. Into 2020, 2020 election, and then another. They killed 8 Ghanaians. And these guys were in military uniform, police uniform. Then 2024, we lost another 7 precious lives. Did MPP call for arrest and investigations of those people? And today, what's it? Zosu Abrekumanoth. Did we lose life at Abrekumanoth? Or during Abrekumanoth? How comes to know? Not all right, though, about possess pepper spray. Because the possession of pepper spray is a criminal act. Did she have the licenses to hold pepper spray and send pepper spray to the police station?
Video that they are chasing her.
Who was chasing her?
The party.
Why was she being chased?
No.
I'm happy the arrest has been made by this current IGP. And those are watching now when you're indiscipline. The MPP. Yes, but you see, yes. You know how it comes now? One step on the toes of several people in this country. You know, Kaswa, what she did over there. You know what she did over there. In fact, there, she's on a radar. People are looking for her. But in the Abrekumanoth rerun, did MPP even contest? I need an answer. Did MPP contest? They didn't contest. So why did they go there? So the MPP didn't contest Abrekumanoth rerun. The party came out and issued a statement that they are not contesting. So how Kumsin even go there?
The party issued a press release that they are not contesting.
Contesting. So MPP didn't contest. Please,
I'm coming. But the candidate said she won't. Well, still now, she hasn't made any letter be a she's still at the party.
This is a confused political party. See, MPP will young pipe. But that MP because they hear one for the multi-party democracy. They have no principles. Yeah, it's a contest. And how Okumsi doesn't vote at Abrekumanoth? What did she go there with some boys around her?
But since you're better than support Central Region.
It's because MPP is contesting, because MDC is contesting.
But the candidate also contested.
The candidate wasn't MPP.
The candidate
MPP did not contest.
And the seat declared that on MPP the woman or declared that candidate or declared on MPP.
See, I'm meeting me party NDC kada akotia a one contest. Would I go there in the name of MPP? Why would I go there?
Party kada one contest the candidate because of ABC.
Is the candidate NDC?
The candidate is from the party.
Yeah, so
and the party recognizes the candidates from the party.
These people have no principle. The party say, I'm not contesting. Then you go as a candidate, use the party symbol. What more for you?
Father, communication is Jojo. Understand and whatever. And if it's with that way, it's the press release there because of the ABC. We want to
the party NPP.
I'm talking about the party.
Yeah, the party NPP.
Yes, I said the party has brought a press release that we are pulling out.
Pulling out, which means that no T-shirt of that party, the symbol of that party should not be seen on the ballot paper.
And later on, the candidate also wrote to the party.
Oh, you have the letter? You have the letter that the candidate wrote to the party.
Communication is writing and communicate. It is a matter type you. I beg to differ. It's a problem contest party. Later on, but we saw the leadership at that place.
They went there. They are to blame for the conflict now also. So your name there, MP police in there, people contester. I'm sure that the police officers.
Hey, Father. So you are telling me that the police doesn't know that the MPP is contesting?
Yeah. They issued a letter, they're not contesting. But look, how Kun's also seen on them. But those boys were also working. Until Minam, no obusing renowned teacher or them Mugana. Ebabana, in one and a Rugana. Until one time, I'm seeing I'm portraying that he's a car. Oh yeah, I don't know how comes in the video. How comes in the wire or polling station? Renting one see, oh yeah, now dreaming no what I into oil pepper spray. Why did she even go to the police station?
But she fought before removing the pepper spray.
No, I'm saying that why did she leave her home to the police station? With the pepper spray. Before going to the because nobody went to the polling station with pepper spray or even a knife. But I'm until Abekuma not no officaswa or Abekuma not or the pepper spray no kotokum. Look at that. What happened in the occasion war? And she has a record of killing people. He has a record of causing mayhem. Kaswa, he shot this woman shot at Kaswa. Today, Abana Society, nya ena na nado abedon offer itu o shooting in the use pepper spray. Two masters in the all corner one for gun or for pepper spray. So I am barima Abekuma not no Akwetia one for pepper spray go. I am daring the MPP that is contesting Akwetia by election. If they are men enough and they think they have a right to self-defense and they can protect themselves, let them move to Akwetia with pepper spray, even pepper spray. That's what will happen to them. Nobody can go to Akwetia with pepper spray or any gun. The police will deal with such a person mercilessly. You have the right to go to campaign, but not to hold offensive weapon. It's also a right to self-defense. They should move there. Pack guns in their cars. They will see what will happen to them. We need peace in Akwetia. Akwetia wants development. Akwetia wants to see development. 8 years. I think that by election, go and preach, educate the literate. Who achievement, who record in Akwetia. But they have none. And look, the people of Akwetia, they are yearning for development. Minority getting one can just walking out. I think the Akwetia people will make the right decision by voting for NDC candidates. And we are a truthful party, the NDC, because we said we won the 2024 Akwetia. We said it. And why we are contesting is to prove to Ghanaians that we won the 2024 Akwetia, we won it. So this is going to prove that 2024. No, but your candidate or your MPP. You won. Yeah. So, in case you no call court, it was 1,000 difference or so. I know when yes or no on your genuine okada no court. Until your main charge in us a by election about Bagawa. Why in this year contest? Why in this year contest saying that you prove Ghana for that, and the Skumi didn't win and NPP didn't win?
Or who declared the Skumi to the parliament?
First, they declared NDC winner. First, they EC declared and later what turning. Into when now we are contesting and we will prove to Ghanaians that in 2024 NDC won that constituency genuinely. That's why we are contesting. And we want peace. We don't think that by election, it's an election. Go and campaign. But to say that self-defense, we protect ourselves. We protect ourselves. You have the right to protect yourself. Everybody else has the right to protect himself or herself. But we think we should leave the security to the security agencies. And nobody must go there with weapon or pepper spray. And if you dare go there with weapon, pepper spray, the police must deal with you.
Right, the police phone on Yobaka, the last said a miracle, Papa. Okada riders. What's some man paying a show on the ball? With the whole chum, would do chum, Okada, Okada. But a body sound, a bay. A chinqueting of our watch.
I had no quite na neda and do na I am years or one of the national platform for NDC. There's a pressure group within the NDC called the current cadres of NDC. Thankfully, I'm the national PRO, and I had to raise the issue. And if your opinion and for express or not, your boundaries are all cordon. I think the Abanwe, your man was the nurse form, but there are some operatives or elements are all institutions employed by elsewhere administration and who have the right to work. Our operator was sabotage NDC because if you are arresting Okada riders, as in this 8 years ago, no, why the one arrest one? Na in the work with you them and comfort them. And the interim minister must be up and doing. It has to take the Sam George to issue an order that they should stop the arrest. Intermediate there, people who do in state institutions could say want to make NDC unpopular. The people have the right to write. So feed there when you licenses are as a responsible government. What do you do? What do you do? Take measures and issue them with the licenses. Why do you go and arrest them? One case is basic. H1 one case is basic. I'm on a human. The man want to know. In the best say on pains in the next phone. Now one watch what order for such arrest must be dealt with. Because these Okada riders, we know them. They have been in operation for so many years now. So why the sudden arrest? Separate arrest to part. Did you make education? Did you educate them there? Say, licenses. Go obtain licenses before you can ride. Did we give them timelines? Sorry, there. Me one. Maybe so be the riding licenses for him. Wabra amma any prior notice there. Such an important exercise was going. We believe that state institutions must be allowed to work, but they should act with some modicum of sense and wisdom, and not just act capriciously. You cannot just get up and go and arrest people. Wabra in Kofu page in Juma na what one number na one ebusia. Inti yana yeshabo. We promised to regularize the Okada business. We promised to regularize it, and I think we should honor our promise. The promise was not about arresting Okada riders, but rather take them through education, roads, signs, and what have you, so that they can operate efficiently. We promised to issue them with riding licenses or driving licenses. Can we see to that and honor our promise rather than arresting them? And people are, I mean, did the interim minister issue a circular there? Such people must be arrested. I think we need to also interrogate that. Was there a communique that go after Okada riders? Until you make them arrest, who gave him or her the order? Who gave the orders? Who gave the orders that Okada riders or such an exercise must take place at that time? No order whatsoever. And my answer in coffee being state agencies, state institutions, won two and a man when you be cause the love Ghana for what was the man or Beseno Amaya. So we should act until Yanshada will license the Okada riders for license because they are helping in the transportation sector. Wama, they are providing competition. Where there's no competition, there's monopoly. And monopoly will want to get the highest profits. But with this Okada riders, Wama prices of transportation, lorry first night, Akofo. Look at the ease with which they move. In Tampana, why then? Wakwaba. Into young friend and young friends, the Mungan Aquanum. Now, in Papa no way, Juma to them. They are breadwinners of several families. See, the major if you are. None Meziban in a year. Now, we saw be obedient Meziban everyone. Now, yes, soon, Fana, baby for. Into Peda Abani Bay. Your baby, you are, or be better, yes, since I want some cry. No, on no Canada. Into MTTU, one share the register Okada riders. As they should register them, and one more education. Now, in Zaman Kodu in Famayan.
Right, Sibada, brother Payna, so papa, you mentioned then the Waba, I father Casford, you mentioned papa. Ababa Boman and Comabone to my body. Engineer, Isaac Newton Dick, baby, will be chow into my mama cancer, and see in the brother. So I'm a justice to my abon commonly to my queen. O come for a junior, I say, God bless the only king, or 2 forces to into successful celebration. I be away all 1 week into also a chair regard to Desmond. Afroakwa, incoming assembly member of Finn, no so autumn the back. The master of Frederick, I will be my send a message and can also beautiful discussion, brother. You say it all. Until I find all them, father, and see a better was say a send a message and let me as be I send a message in it to me that I can also to me and cooperate shop papa. Or maybe I also send a message, yen to me, he sent to me, send the networking, no so a better than papa. No for better to be Bomazara for oil, worth in the photo or your Costa TV. Now you want some papa pea and come boppy, you to me the most. And so there, Philibiarazi, and my assembly you to me this is the papa to Bomazara de Biara, the Hinachi, better than see. P. The most about the OMCR for us, a J. Nay Badis, and cooperation of papa. No, Bibiara, Otumno, Ocean Cassin Fini, a better Bibiara, Assi, Ankasa. Send so soon I mean, we're finished your house, and the college, the oil spot, or the rubber, while cream, maybe I say to me, I did that do. More Bibiara, Bonnet Tay, Bonnet Shah, Majesty, when you mind. Business Omar bin Abdallah. Bye bye.
Say the morning bright, but I see I'm bled. The only time I want Contema Coco Sanja bread. Sometimes the boys to meet a contribution. 8 o'clock, I now receive a call from Sarkodie.
So good morning, up and rolling. But this morning we'll be high and rolling. Fulfilling dreams, man, and all the hearts that are broken.